Thank you, Tomas. Thank you so much. Ofalahi atu, and God bless. All the best with your studies. And all that money, sponsorship from We Accounting. Thank you so much. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our next category is the Leafi Pacifica Creativity Award, sponsored by Pacific Media Network. Can I please invite Leone Vito Toleafoa from the #1 station, Radio 531 PI, the station that brings Pacific people together, as well as New FM, to come forward, please. Now, this award is recognizing an individual who demonstrate a passion for the arts or creative sector by using their creative talents to bring about positive change in their communities. Ladies and gentlemen, this next award goes to... Congratulations to Hella Rore. Yeah.
Thank you. I will not say much, but I would also like to say that it is an honor to be here as a Solomon Islander. Yes, I am a proud Solomon Islander, and I am very happy to be. It's a great opportunity to be amongst beautiful people, with rich values. And it's empowering and inspiring to see a lot of these awardees and all these mentors, all of us here, the supporters. It is inspiring. And I'm here to accept this award. As much as I want to take full credit, I must share my gratitude to my family who are watching live as well. They're not here. But thank you I am who I am because of the way they have brought me up. And I would also like to thank my country, Solomon Islands. Them too, their contribution to my life has put a big impact to the leadership, or to the leader that I have become, or to the leader that you see who I am today. And not the last one, but I would like to thank the Pacific, my region, the Pacific, and the unity we share is also inspiring in terms of creativity and arts. I take passion in music. I take passion in sharing and paying forward my skills, whatever I know in music, to a lot of our young people, because today you see music plays a big role, a big influence. It influences a lot of our young people, and it shares stories in ways that you can really feel it. So it is, I think, music, it is a very effective instrument that can be used as a platform to let our voices be heard as Pacific people. So therefore, I would like to thank all of you sitting here, giving the support to recognize this platform as the award that I'm receiving now. Thank you so much. I would like to thank our God overall. And without him, I would not be here, neither all of us. So I would like to thank our master. And I think I shall leave now. Thank you for this opportunity to say a little. I'm not taking too much time. I won't take too much time. Thank you, MC. You're doing a great job. Thank you. God bless.